Hello everyone, now we are going to start our chapter 5, new exercise 5C. See the question. Count by 2s from 2 to 20. Count backwards by 2s from 20 to 20. From 20 to 2. Now we have to count the by 2s means we have to just count the table of 2 from 1 to 10 times. Okay. Just we have to count the table of 2. You can see here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and forward we have to count up to 10. So see, first here it is written 2 ones are 2. He has learned the table of 2 and you can write very easily. So we can count 2 twos are 4. It is written now 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7 are 14, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, and 2 10 are 20. Okay, now your table is done from 2 to 20. Now second part is saying count backward. Okay, from we have to count backward, means you can start from here 20 and go backward. Okay, or you can write from here and go from this side. Okay, back side आपको चलनी है table of 2. Okay, so you can write from here, you can write from here and this will be very easy for you. Okay, counting backward, maybe you can forget any number, or you can you can write any wrong number. So we can write from here and move to this word. Okay, we have to write a table of 2 only, just like this. You can see 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8 are 16, and see here 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. So the table of 2 is written in backward also. Okay, you can write as you wish. From here also you can write 20, 18, 2 8s are 2 7s are 2 6s are 2 5s are, this like this, or you can start from here also. Both the method will be correct. Now see, question second is question second is find each product. Product means you have to multiply and you have to count the table of 2. See, first question, see, you have to count the table of 2. 2 7s are 14. Okay, it is written 14. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. Okay, the number which is written down, you have to count to the above number. Okay, now next is just last number is 2 9s are, okay, will be 18. So here it is, your all the sums has been done. So you can see that we have count in all the sums. We can see that we have counted the table of 2 to the above number. Okay, we have multiplied 2 to the above number. Okay, now see next question. Question number third. A bee has 2 wings. You can see a bee. Okay, it has how many wings? 1 and 2. Okay, each bees have 2 wings. How many wings do 6 bees have? Okay, how many wings do 6 bees have? So how many bees are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here it is, how many? 6 bees, and each bee has how many wings? 2 wings. So we will multiply by 2. So we will get the number of wings in all bees. So 2 6 are 12. So your answer is 12. So all the bees have how many wings? 12 wings. All together all the bees has how many wings? 12 wings. Okay, all together it is. Okay, now next question. 2 balls for 1 rupee. Okay, you are going to buy a ball. Okay, you are buying 2 balls. Okay, 2 balls you are buying and it is cost 1 rupee. Okay, and next 2 balls you will count. This will also 1 rupee. This will also 1 rupee. So how many balls of 3 rupees? So in 3 rupees you can buy how many balls? Okay, so what you will do? See, in 1 rupee how many balls come? Just listen. Okay, in 1 rupee 2 balls come. Okay, तो 3 rupees में कितनी आएंगी? So what we will do? 3 into 2. Okay, 3 rupees में कितनी balls आएंगी? So 2 3 जा 6. So your answer is 6 balls. यानी कि 3 rupees में हमारी 6 balls आएंगी. Okay, have you understood? You have to not multiply by 1. Okay, 1 rupees में 2 आ रही है तो next 1 rupee में 2 आएंगी, next 1 rupees में 2 आएंगी. तो टोटल हमारे पास कितनी balls हो जाएंगी 3 rupees में? 1 1 1 करके हमने 3 rupees आया तो 3 rupees में how many balls? तो 1 rupees में 2 balls आ रही हैं तो 3 rupees में 3 into 2 या 2 into 3 equals to 6 balls. Okay, hope you have understood this. So do it very correctly and properly and learn the tables very nicely. Okay, you have to write all the tables, full table. You have to write full table here nicely from forward to backward. Everyone, now we are going to start our new chapter 5, exercise 5D. But before you going to these exercises, in forward also you will get more exercise about other numbers. Okay, you get many exercise about these numbers. So first doing this exercise, okay, you have to just learn the tables. Okay, every and each exercise before tables are given. If you have learned this table fully nicely, so you can do the sums in the exercise very nicely. Okay, you will never do wrong. So before each and every exercise you learn the tables of every number 2 3 4 5. Okay, up to 12 you can learn and you can start our exercise 5D. See here, count by 3s from 3 to 30. Count by 3s from 3 to 30. Count backwards by 3s from 30 to 3. See, same question here which you have done in 5C. See, you have to count the table of 3. See here it is written 3 1s are 3. Now 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6. Just wait. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. 3 6s are 18. 3 7s are 21. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30. Okay, you have written the table of 3 nicely and properly in the boxes. Now you have to write the table just like backward. Okay, same table you have to write in the backward form from here to, from this to up to here. Okay, or you can write, you can start from here. So I have told before also, you can start from here the table of 3 or you can do backward the table of 3. Okay, just you have to count the table. You can see here and write it in backward form. See, we can start from here. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 3 8s are 24. Just we are trying. Okay, 3 7s are 21, 3 6s are 18 and 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Okay, you can do like this or you can do in the backward form. If you are having problem in writing like this, you can start from here also. See, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, and 3 10s are 30. Okay, hope you have done this. So you can do this question from here or from this way. Okay, both are correct, but write the table very correctly. If one number is wrong, then your whole full table will be wrong. Okay, so do it very properly, and before doing it you have to learn the table. Okay, now question number 2. So students, now we are going to start our question 2, complete the multiplication table. Okay, you can see in your page, okay, or you have any book to show कि this type of circle is given. So here number 3 is given, and all the number from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it is given numbers, and here the blanks are given. So you have to count the table 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, just like this, and write the answer over this blank. Okay, you can see in your book. So we will count the table of 3 zeros are. Okay, when you multiply by 0, 3 zeros are, you will write here 0. 3 ones are 3. Okay, just write answer in front of 1. Okay, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, and 3 10s are 30. Okay, so you make just circle like this very neatly. Okay, and just count the table of okay, just multiply the number or count the table and write the answer here over the blanks. Okay, draw it very neatly. Okay, and if you have learned the table nicely, properly, you can do it very nicely. Okay, you will do this question in a few minutes. So learn the table before doing these questions. Question number 3, multiply. See, in this we are multiplying by 3 to other number. Okay, we have to count the table of 3 only. See, first question is done. 3 2s are 6. It is done. Okay, next 3 7s are how much? 21. 3 1s are 3. 3 6s are 18. 3 8s are 24, and 3 zeros are. Okay, see, now your 0 is there. So in multiplication form, if 0 is multiplied by any number, okay, so the answer will be 0. Okay, in multiplication, if number is multiplied by 0 or 0 multiplied by any number, then the answer will be 0. So here answer will be 0. Next question, question 4. Kavita reads 3 pages daily. Okay, Kavita reads a book. Okay, and she is reading 3 pages daily. How many pages will she read in 9 days? So Kavita, in 1 day she reads 3 pages. Okay, 9 days में वो कितने पढ़ेगी? So if 1 day में वो 3 pages पढ़ लेती, तो 9 days में वो ज़्यादा pages पढ़ सकती है. Okay, so what you will do? 3 multiply by 9. Okay, we will do here like this. We will write. So what you will write? 9. 3 multiply by 9. So we will do how many pages? 27 pages. Okay, so she will read 9 days में 27 pages she can read. Okay, 1 day में वो 3 पढ़ लेती है, तो 9 days में वो ज़्यादा pages पढ़ लेगी, तो आंसर will be 27 pages.